with wisdom to drive the pace of development, with innovation to drive the development of future. Make the transmission more efficient, accurate, and intelligent. Taibang Motor Industry Group. From the establishment in 1995 and then to the 40th anniversary of reform and opening up again, after more than 20 years of development and exploration, Taibang is moving forward in the reform with unswerving original intention. Inheriting many years of advanced manufacturing experience, benchmarking against the world's advanced production level, and creating a motor industry that affects the whole country. Set up R&D management headquarters from Beijing. Continuously expand the scale. Set up Zhejiang Yueqing production base on the coast of the East China Sea. And set up 10 branches. The professional and advanced R&D Center makes Taibang among the powerhouses in the motor manufacturing industry. For a long time, Taibang has always adhered to scientific and technological research and development and independent innovation. In order to present more advanced and high-end technologies, Taibang has gathered domestic top-level, first-class professional and technical personnel here as Provincial Research Institutes, Provincial High-Tech R&D Center, and Provincial Precision Transmission Technology Research Institute are R&D platforms to form an independent innovation and development system to create a new height of scientific research. Developed and produced high-precision planetary reducer, transmission planetary geared motor, servo motor and controller, brushless DC geared motor, electric drum, micro small and medium-sized gear motor, right angle geared motor, worm gear reducers and geared motors, special motors for power equipment, high-point TKM reducers and geared motors, 2 to 6 axis industrial robots, harmonic reducers, etc. At the same time, special intelligent geared motors can also be customized according to customer needs. While adhering to the traditional business field, Taibang has never forgotten the development of new fields of the industry. In the logistics industry, robot industry, the energy lithium battery industry, and the animal husbandry industry provides professional services for poultry and livestock breeding and other fields. At the same time, the products are widely used in gate machine, industrial automation, power transmission and transformation equipment, food machinery, medical equipment, photovoltaic equipment, wind power generation, security inspection equipment, security equipment, and other fields. Efficient motor products and solutions. Using the lean, informatized, and automated production mode, it takes the manufacture of excellent products as its own responsibility and builds China's first-class intelligent manufacturing capabilities. Taibang has always adhered to the pursuit of excellent quality, built professional digital production workshops and intelligent production lines, and introduced more than 2,000 sets of imported and domestic production equipment and testing equipment. The Advanced Information Management System escorts the entire production process, and the continuous technological innovation, management innovation, and concept innovation lead the development of the industry, and has successively passed the national CCC certification, the US UL certification, the EU CE certification, and other international certifications. And the perfect quality management system provides reliable guarantee for product quality. We share our results with our clients attentively and put our clients' needs first. With an efficient and sound sales network and after-sales service system based on technological innovation, we live in Zhejiang and look to the world. From a national brand to a world brand, Taibang has embarked on a new road of IP creation and is committed to becoming a leading enterprise in the motor and precision transmission industry. Intelligent manufacturing the world. Drive the future. Craftsman's Taibang.